Bluey and Bingo sprinted into the yard shouting, "Battle time today!" Their paws thundered, tails high, ears sharp. But then a hiss echoed from the fence. Out leapt 3 cats, eyes glowing, fur bristling. Bluey gasped, "Enemies?" Bingo whispered, "This is serious. Could danger strike this fast?" The leader cat strutted forward, claws out, voice deep, "This is our turf." Bluey barked, "Not today." Bingo stood firm, tail shaking, "We will protect this ground." Could courage roar this loud? The cats circled, tails whipping. One leapt at Bingo, but she dodged, sliding under the swing, shouting, "Too slow." Another pounced at Bluey, but he rolled, barked, and pushed back. The yard exploded with growls, hisses, barks, and laughter. Could a fight feel this wild? Suddenly Kuromi appeared on the fence, clapping, "This is chaos and I love it." The cats snarled, "Stay out." But Bingo shouted, "No. Friends, join us." Kuromi leapt down, sparks flying from her tail, shouting, "Let's even the score." Could an ally arrive this quick? Bluey and Bingo grabbed sticks, waving like swords. The cats batted with claws, sparks flying as would met paw. Bingo yelled, "Charge!" Everyone collided, rolling, tumbling, barking, meowing, shouting. Could battle sound this epic? But then my Melody rushed in, holding her basket. "Stop! Fighting isn't the answer." The cats paused, ears twitching. Melody tossed candy everywhere, bright colors raining down. Bluey blinked, "Candy, in a battle?" Kuromi laughed, "Only you would try that." Could sweetness change war? The cats sniffed, tasted, and slowly purred. Their tails lowered, claws vanished. The leader meowed, "Maybe this yard is big enough for all of us." Bluey grinned, "Friends then?" Bingo wagged, "Yes. Let's play together." Could enemies flip this fast? Soon everyone danced in the yard, dogs and cats splashing, jumping, laughing under the sun. Kuromi smirked, "Not bad." Melody clapped, "See? Peace wins." Bluey looked straight at you, eyes glowing. If you loved this crazy clash, smash like, subscribe, and join us for the next adventure. Who knows what battle or friendship comes next?